Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Dr. Amira from Fayza Arabic Centre. I'm here in a new episode of Question and Answer to answer the question, how can we make a noun definite? Definite that is specific. We're not talking about any general of this word that we're referring to, but a specific one. So, for example, kitab, a book. This is general, it's indefinite word because we're talking about any book. But if I say al-kitab, now I'm talking about a specific book, the book. This is one way. Another way is if I add this word to another that makes it definite, that is addition, idafa. So if I say kitab Ahmad, Ahmad's book, again, I'm not talking about any book, it's Ahmad's book. The third way of doing this is adding a possessive attached pronoun at the end of the word that I would like to make definite. So if I say kitabuhu, so that is his book. I'm not talking about any book, it's his book. If I apply this to another feminine word and sayyara, a car, if I would like it to be specific, so I would say as-sayyara, the car. Or adding it to another word, another noun, sayyarat Fatima, addition. So, and here I have to pronounce the ta marbuta because it comes at the beginning of, or in the end of the first word of idafa. The third way is sayyaratuha. Now I added ha, that is her car, to the word, and then I have to untie the ta marbuta and put it as a regular one because I'm attaching this possessive attached pronoun at the end of it. So sayyaratuha. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Amira from Fayza Arabic Center. Assalamu alaikum.